Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video we are going to discuss about types of specifications. But let me first explain you what is a specification actually. Specification is something that specifies or describes the nature and class of the work and the materials to be used in the construction or in the work undertaken along with the workmanship, and it is very important for the execution of the work, and the cost of the work depends much on the specifications. The requirements for the specifications are it should be clear, and there should not be any ambiguity anywhere. There should not be any illusion. And coming to specification depend on the nature of the work, the purpose for which the work is required. Okay, why is the work is being going on, and the strength of the materials, availability of materials, also the quality of material, what quality of all the materials that are being used, and etc. Okay, and these are divided into general and detailed specifications. Coming to the first one, general specifications provide a very brief explanation about construction materials and construction work. Generally, these specifications are mentioned on drawing, which helps for estimating the construction work. These specifications are not a part of contract. These general specifications are not at all a part of a contract. Like this gives the information about the nature and class of the work and all the materials in general terms to be used in the various parts of work. It includes all from the foundation to the superstructure. It is a short description of different parts of work, specifying the materials, proportions, qualities, etc. So in detail, on a whole, general specifications will give us the general idea of the whole work or the structure and are useful for preparing the estimate. Okay? Yes. Next, going to the detailed specifications. And these are again subdivided into standard specifications and special specifications. First, let us see what is a detailed specification. See, detailed specification is nothing but a detailed description. It will express what are the requirements in detail. Okay? The detailed specifications convey the requirements of project to contractor through a detailed explanation of materials and work. Whenever we are going through any item of a work, we will get to know what all materials are required to prepare that, along with how much work is there, how many laborers are required. Okay, we'll get to know about each criteria of that work. It provides a complete knowledge about the construction material, workmanship of construction work, ratio of different materials, mixing method, quantity of individual material, how to prepare the materials and conduct the installation, different testing requirements to be followed, and how work will be measured. See, this explains us everything, like how the material is procured, the batching part, mixing, what all the quantities are required, how to make the materials, that is how to prepare. If we need a concrete, what are the steps to be followed to prepare concrete, and how much material is required, how it is mixed, what method we are using, and how the materials are proportioned. Everything is explained in this detailed explanation. In general, this specifies the quantities and qualities of materials, the proportion of mortar, the workmanship, the method of preparation is also explained. Okay. The detailed specifications of different items of work are prepared separately and describe what the work should and how they shall be executed and constructed. Detailed specifications are a part of contract, that's why it's helpful in understanding the contract. Okay, that is, the detailed specifications will form an important part of the contract. Okay, Detailed specification should be written in a pattern which is to be followed during the execution of work. See, whenever we are doing a construction work, we will be following steps. That is, first we'll complete the foundation. Next we'll go to the superstructure, right? So it has to be followed in the pattern or the order which we are doing, in which order we are doing the construction or any other work that has been undertaken. We have to follow the sequence. Next, coming to the standard specifications and special specifications. That is how these detailed specifications are subdivided. As the name suggests, the standard specifications are those which remain same for various types of projects. Okay, it remains same. It will not change from a project to project. It will be same for certain types of projects, for various types. Okay, these specifications can be used for every project that fall into this category. We will firstly divide whatever the work is there into some categories. We'll categorize that, and depending upon which category it falls into, we will be getting the standard specifications. Different public sector organizations collect data from various types of construction work and publish data in the form of book. No need to write detailed specifications again and again for every project. It saves from mistakes while writing the specifications over and over. Okay, I am telling these are the standard specifications for various types of projects which fall into same category. Okay, the different public sector organizations will collect the data and they will divide the structures, will categorize that. Depending upon their specifications, we will be giving this. Okay, so we don't have to write the specifications again and again. This will help us in omitting any mistakes that can be formed by just doing it again and again. Okay, yes. Next, going to the special specifications. Sometimes construction projects are of special type. The specifications for these types of projects are not mentioned in detailed specifications book. Consultant has to write specifications for this type of work. In tender documents, these specifications are written separately under special specifications heading. Okay, these are that specifications which are not included in the detailed specifications book. So for this, the consultant has to write separately on his own. Okay, he will not get it anywhere. He has to write it on his own, as it will not be found anywhere. So even in the tender documents, we will just write this as a separate part with other subheading called special specifications. See, this is how they are subdivided. Generally, every engineering department will prepare the detailed specifications for various items of work, and they get them printed in a book, like in book form under the name like detailed specifications. When the work or a structure or project is taken up, instead of writing again the detailed specifications again and again, we will just refer the detailed specifications book. That is again the standard specifications. These special one are only for some special construction projects which are not included in the standard specifications. That is the detailed specifications book. Okay, that is it for this video, guys. Please like, share, comment to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. That would greatly help me. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.